Best Stationery Organizer Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular stationery organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this organizer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of this stationery organizer. The one that made our list is the KINGFOM Multifunction Stationery Organizer. This is made from high quality PU leather with a soft flannel interior and bottom for stylish extended durability. The white stitching on black background adds a touch of class to your desk. There are 3 compartments and a drawer to sort and organize your stationery and keep your desk neat. This compact upright design saves space on your desktop so you can work without clutter. It also works perfectly for makeup tools too. To check out the full specs of the KINGFOM Multifunction Stationery Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/station.org. Here's a quick look at this stationery organizer. So there you have it, the KINGFOM Multifunction Stationery Organizer. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this stationery organizer is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the KINGFOM Multifunction Stationery Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/station.org. Alright, thank you for watching.